Hello folks, I'm in front of the Chiringuito, which is one of the better restaurants here in Frómista, Spain. So I'm going to take you on a little tour of the town here. So this is a town on the Camino de Santiago. Make sure that's good and tight. Okay. So I have a house nearby. So this morning I went to the bakery already and I had a little live stream. There wasn't much of anybody that came in there, but it was alright. So there's the Salazar bakery. They have the best stuff there. So yeah, let me show you what's going on here. So if you look closely, you will see a bunch of golondrinas flying around here. They are crazy. If you can see the golondrinas, but they go crazy when it's a little cool outside. So like right now it's nice and cool. They say there's a storm coming up. I don't know. It's possible. But yeah, here's a church. So on Sunday they have the celebration of Corpus Christi, and for that everybody is going to decorate the streets with flowers, and then the procession comes through. So it's going to be super interesting. So let's take a little walk. I'm going to cross the street here. So I have a rental car and I drove over here this morning. And there was a police behind me. I was like terrified he was going to stop me, but he didn't. So if you come through Frómista, you're probably going to meet up with this horse and his buddy, a cow. Yeah. They're always out here. So yep, we are in Frómista. So if you ever come through here, there's a fabulous church. They do charge like €1 or something to get your pilgrim passport signed and stamped. And here we have the bakery called Pan y Mas. So there are two bakeries in town here. One of them is Salazar and the other one is Pan y Mas. So if you ever come through a Spanish village, you will find, well, other towns too, bigger towns, you will find that in the afternoon, they are always closed. Between like 3 and 5, sometimes like from 1:30 on, because that's when they eat dinner. So let me go in the store here and say hello.